happening, people? This is Prajit here, back with another vlog from Goa. I am at Goa right now at Candleton Beach, though I'm not staying here. I'm staying at Vagator and Papachulo Guest House, the hostel, right? And yeah, so I'm actually pretty much chilling right now. I just came here for lunch and like sip a bottle of King's beer. That's about it, and I'm actually here. This place, the shack where I am at right now is called the Sea Pearl, and that's the beach there. So what the plan for today is, I'm just gonna have lunch. I just thought, let me just go ahead of Bagator and just go towards the actual commercial area, commercial part, that's Kalangut, Candolim and stuff, Baga. So I'm just having lunch. I'm just here for lunch. Post this, I'm going to go to Arambol. Arambol is the place where I'm going to see the sunset and the drum session, and the market as well, where all the tourists from different countries sit on the beach, sell something. Once I finish my lunch, I'm going to move from here and then go ahead to Arambol. Cheers. This is Papachulo Hostel right now. I'm gonna end this vlog here, but before I end, I have a special person right in front of me, who's Himanshu, who owns this place. Papachulo, he owns this place. Himanshu, one damn sentence about Papachulo. What do you feel?
It's a beautiful place, bro. Like, it's a paradise in Goa.
Come to Vagator and just stay right here. This is the place to be, and you guys will love it. So,
See you all very soon.
do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Mining Miles. And Papachulo, you guys rock!